Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So in the continuation of the previous GATE series, we were solving the question of GATE 1990. So today we have a new question. So I'll write here without wasting time 1990 GATE heat transfer question 14 second part. So without wasting time, we will look into the question. A hot fluid flows through a well mixed stir tank which is provided with a cooling jacket. So we have uh, a stir tank. Okay. So stereo should be there, and it is for cooling purpose covered from a jacket. Okay. Okay. Stereo always makes uniform temperature or concentration. So here we will talk about temperature. The fluid in the cooling jacket can also be assumed to be a well mixed. Calculate the heat transfer area. We have to find the area. Area of heat transfer. Heat transfer. Okay. Calculate the following data is given for hot fluid. Following data is given. Okay, so this is very simple question, straightforward. Just we will use two formulas, but very first we will make the temperature profiles. So in a jacketed tank, the flow is always counter current. So hot fluid will goes down, the temperature of hot fluid will goes down, and temperature of cold fluid will go up after contacting with each other. So hot fluid T in is 205 degrees Celsius, and this is not known. We will calculate this. And cold fluid inlet temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and out fluid 45 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, so just apply basic mass balance equation for heat exchanger. mCp delta T hot fluid is equal to mCp delta T of cold fluid. Okay. Heat gained by the cold fluid is equal to heat lost by the hot fluid. Okay. That is the thing. So mass flow rate we have for hot fluid 50 kg per second into Cp we have 2 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius. Everything is in degree Celsius though, so don't need to change in Kelvin. Okay. And T 205 minus T2, right, is equal to, I will write this temperature as T1 and this is a small t2. Okay. Hot fluid always denoted by capital T and cold fluid always denoted by small t. So then we have 100 kg per second cold fluid mass flow rate into Cp, that is 4 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius into 45 minus 25 degree Celsius. Okay. Degree Celsius here. Okay. So see, with this degree Celsius will cancel out from kg will cancel out. ठीक है, kilojoule cancel out, kg will cancel out, second will cancel out. We have to find the temperature, so only degree C will remain. Okay, so T2 will be 125 degrees Celsius. 125 degrees Celsius. So this is T2. Okay. Now calculating the area. So we have mCp del T hot fluid, mCp del T cold fluid is equal to UA theta m. Theta m is the log mean temperature difference or arithmetic means temperature difference. Okay. If theta 1 is equal to theta 2, what is theta? I will tell you. Then we will use AMTD. If theta 1 and theta 2 different, then we will use LMTD. Okay. So heat lost by the hot fluid is equal to heat gained by the cold fluid is equal to the total heat transfer from hot fluid to cold fluid on this area. Okay. So we'll calculate this. So mCp delta T hot fluid mCp delta T cold fluid is equal to UA theta m. So we have here, we just find that T out is what? So this was 205, this was 1, this comes 125, and this is I think 25 and 45. So difference of these two temperature is theta 1 and difference of these two temperature is theta 2. Now for LMTD, if for LMTD log mean temperature difference, theta 1 should not be equal to theta 2. Then the formula is, that is LMTD denoted by theta m is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2 upon ln theta 1 by theta 2 whole bracket. Okay. If theta 1 is equal to theta 2, then simple AMTD, that is theta arithmetic, that is theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2. So let's see, theta 1 will be 205 minus 45. So 200 minus 40 will become 160. Okay. Theta 2, just calculate it yourself. 125 minus 25 will become 100. Okay. 205 minus 45. So 55, 200, 160, 125, 100. Okay. So you'll use theta m. So take any of these value, take either you take this value is equal to this value or this value is equal to this value. So you can take any. So I'll choose mCp delta T of hot is equal to UA theta m. So m is for a hot fluid 50 kg per second, Cp is 2 kilojoule per kg degree Celsius into 205 minus 125, 80 is equal to U is 2.5 kilojoule per second meter square degree Celsius into area we have to find into, so theta 27 will go 127.7. Okay. So kilojoule will cancel out, kg will cancel out, second will cancel out, degree C, here degree C will cancel out, this degree C, degree C. So we need to calculate area, MC meter square is only remaining. So we'll calculate it. 50 into 2 into 80 divided by 2.5 divided by 127.7, 25.05. So area is equal to 25 meter square. So this is the final answer. Hope you understand this. This is very simple question. Okay, but it was there in the 1990s, so I feel that I should solve here. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just comment it below. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.